Hey,
Yo. So, this nigga is supposed to be putting not my bumper, but this right here.
your grill.
Damn. Why the fuck can I say that? Yeah, my
'Cause
fucking
you
grill.
retarded.
I am fucking retarded. But no, I got a new grill. Get the all black. I don't want that chrome shit in my car no more. And then, you know, I got rid of the chrome in the back. Got the new diffuser with the exhaust tips. She's still dirty, but yeah, that's what I have to do. Hey, look, he's still on the phone.
Yes, I'm still on the phone, you hoe. I'm sorry.
Damn, I gotta be a hoe.
I'm apologizing to the audience. Yes, you're a hoe.
That's deep, bro. That hurt, bro. Dumbass.
The fuck was I about to say?
I don't know, bro.
Hold on, let's play some throwback music. Cut it.
You know, if we get 1,000 subscribers, you know, we can't play no type of fucking music.
Yeah, that shit wild.
Cause you know that shit gonna get copyrighted.
Ain't that some shit?
Yeah. So you gotta at least tell them what you're doing.
You mean what?
You gotta tell them what you're doing.
Oh. Yeah, I gotta take this whole damn bump. Can I curse?
Yeah.
Yeah. I gotta take this whole damn bumper off. So, see, I can't hear myself think now.
Exactly.
Motherfucker.
Exactly.
I didn't know I had to commentate through all of this. I thought that was his job.
Yeah,
but-
no, you know, like that white boy that you was just watching? He was commentating his own shit.
That wasn't his thing.
I'm the fucking cameraman right now.
See, look, hold up.
That's what
Bruh,
I am.
See, where you got it mistaken is, I will explain what I'm doing right now after I school this young nigga over here. So, the dude in that video, he took the guy recording it. That's whose YouTube channel it was, and he had a mechanic doing the work. So the mechanic is explaining it to him, so he knows for future reference.
Right.
Now, I didn't.
So
know.
you aren't you
Hold
my
up, wait.
mechanic?
Let me finish.
I can't kneel down here.
Yes, I am a mechanic. I am the mechanic on this channel. But I didn't know this was a tutorial type thing. So what I gotta do is take this bumper off. I didn't count, but there's a bunch of 7mm screws at the bottom that you gotta take off so that it releases. Some people say,
hold on. God damn, look at that big ass dog. Oh my god. Oh my god, he about to come get me. Oh
is
my
he
god.
German bred?
Damn.
They stock it. I love those rocks.
It's a beauty, man. Woo.
The Americanized Rottweilers are smaller. So yeah,
He can eat me, bro.
there's a bunch of 7mm screws underneath here. Some people go to the back of the drain shield that's under here, because if you take the back of that, that'll come off with the bumper as well. But I don't feel like doing all of that because there's more work, and I gotta jack the car up to get underneath. And I'm being lazy. I'm not gonna hold you. I will find the easy way to do everything, even if it's not that easy, and it just keeps you from doing the one thing I don't want to do. So
this is hilarious, bro.
hold on. Did I get all of them? Yeah, I got all of them. Oh shit.
You good?
Now, if you jack the car up, you don't have to worry about what the fuck I just did, slamming my face on the bottom of the damn bumper.
Damn, bro.
But what you guys didn't see, because he was lacking on his job and wasn't recording.
my job.
He was too busy stuffing his face. He had 3 sloppy joes and went inside. while I was out here
So
working.
that one that was over there, remember when you was taking all the clips out from right here? Remember you was eating it right here? So what the fuck you mean?
I was eating and working. I was doing my job.
First of all, the first video showed you right there.
Hey. We're not gonna talk about the fact that I was taking a break and I had to check some messages. You know, I gotta
That dog big as fuck, y'all. Oh my god. Whew.
Santana about to pull up
Oh yeah?
to watch, I guess.
But man, see, I should have got that fucking year right there. But Nah.
She beautiful, ain't she?
She is. I fuck with her. I get a whole spin around because niggas don't know how to record their own fucking car.
You right. I'm
So fucking stupid. He fucking lowered this right here with the coils and shit. That's the one thing I don't have on my fucking red calipers. That's probably gonna be my next shit though. Ooh, got that motherfucking splitter. That splitter is beautiful. Whew. Damn, that motherfucker is nice. Another thing he got that I don't fucking got is the damn. At least my wheels look better than this niggas. Man, this motherfucking spoiler right here took us 4 hours to put this bitch on. Cause that nigga over there kept dropping the fucking screws in the fucking trunk. Whew. What's this? This is 2013, right? 2013. That's the next thing I gotta do. I gotta put all my Instagram shit on here. Damn, fuck up the Space Jams.
See, you're a pretty boy. Walking in space. I'm gonna get my hands dirty working on the damn car.
That's cool though, bro. That's cool. That's cool.
Stupid motherfucker. Sorry.
Yeah, he got anger issues,
I
y'all.
do.
It's okay.
A little bit. Something like that. I got problems.
Damn, just imagine if I had fog lights. That should be even worse.
Not really. Because I still got to get back here regardless.
You gotta get back there on the outside too?
Yeah. This is how your bumper comes off. Because once I get behind the plastic cover, there's one, I gotta disconnect your side marker.
What you doing now?
Yeah. This is the little plug right here.
Plug! Gas up shorty. Say that ain't like 40. He pulling up in the daily or he pulling up in the
I'm probably in the charger.
Alright.
And my boy Santana supposed to be pulling up. Where's my phone?
We're on Bizags.
Hey Slim, can you do me a favor?
Nah.
Okay.
What's up?
You said you were gonna do me a favor.
What's
Okay.
up? What's up?
Can you go get my light?
Light?
Yes. My keys over there. In the
Light?
garage. Yes, Negro.
Niggas talk about light? It's
The money like that bitch do.
oh, wait. Look what that money make a bitch do.
Set on, you go 40.
Yo. Why that shit say 3.6? This is a 6.4. What the fuck is going on? What? What?
Hey,
Cause I want a Hellcat with the top back so this bitch can see what they. I ain't been to hell yet. Pray for forgiveness cause I know a nigga been sinning.
I have a horrible time remembering lyrics to songs. Can you hand me my other ratchet over there?
Damn, you got another ratchet? How many ratchets you got?
Like 30 of them things, and they all got a whole 30 clip with a dick on it.
We was talking about different ratchets. I thought you was talking about girls. You was talking about guns.
I don't fuck with ratchet hoes.
Shit, no, we can't fuck with the ratchet hoes. That's crazy. That's crazy.
I just had to chill go through my body.
I had a chill looking at them wheels just now. Whew. Oh, you bitch. That was fucked up. Coronavirus.
Nah, I don't have corona. I'm a smoker, so every time I laugh, I cough. Speaking of smoke.
Hey, matter of fact, I think I'm gonna take this out. And I think I'm gonna get a custom one. What the fuck?
It has a plastic cover over it. You didn't notice that? So now your center cap is just how your wheels are supposed to look.
Spin that bitch. Damn! You see that motherfucker?
Hey, so what the fuck do they put these damn clips in with? Oh, I'm a dumbass. Damn.
Man, Santana came. Woo. This motherfucker clean as fuck, bro. Indeed. This my wicker bill came, bro. Hell yeah. It ain't the same, but
I don't know how to describe it. Oh no, it's just something feel different.
Like the texture?
It's like they cut out the pieces themselves.
What you mean?
Like you can see the burn holes where they drilled through the polycarbonate material, and like they made it and then sent it out. I don't even know if it's gonna fit the same. It looks like it should. But I don't know. I ain't never put one on, so I just told him to go to your man's and get it done.
yeah, I'm gonna probably do that. Next weekend? Probably like on a Saturday.
Yeah, I got this job interview to be a service advisor.
Oh shit.
Over at CarMax.
Oh shit.
$40,000 a year.
Oh shit. Big moves, major moves.
Everybody else getting job interviews and I can't get a fucking interview nowhere. That's some bullshit.
I can get you one.
I need one. I need a job badly.
So it's a new day. Finally got the damn grill on. And it's funny as fuck because it wasn't even a whole fucking grill. It literally was fucking tape. I could have had this shit on the other fucking day. But, you know, reading is fundamental. This nigga ain't read. This nigga ain't read.
You act like it wasn't.
I didn't fucking read.
It's a piece of plastic in a
But
box.
look, that bitch is on, and I don't give a fuck. All fucking black. Next shit is gonna be my fucking wicker bill. Niggas need to fucking read. Alright, that's how I'm gonna end this shit, cause this nigga is, yeah, he's definitely tripping, bro. What the fuck?